Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most unique and underrated areas in East London, the Isle of Dogs. This area is surrounded by the River Thames, located just across from Canary Wharf and only 15 to 20 minutes from central London by public transport. Getting here is super easy. You can take the DLR from Bank or Tower Gateway station, and the journey is short and gives you great views of London's docklands along the way.
Oh, here's to the good times, let the music play. We're making memories today. We've had our share of ups and downs, but somehow we always find our way around. Through every storm and sunny day, we stay together, didn't fade away. The world is spinning fast, but we're still here. With every heartbeat, with every cheer. So let's keep dancing, let's keep the vibe. In every moment we feel alive. Through the smiles and the tears we come so far. Now we're shining like the brightest star. We take a look around and all we see is the love we share, the joy, the harmony. No matter where tomorrow goes, those moments stay in our souls. So let's keep shining, don't let it fade. Together with the memories we've made. We've had a nighttime and under the moon, to dancing as the sun sets too soon. Every heartbeat, every melody brings us back to the love we feel so free. We may be apart but not for long, cause every time we hear our favorite song, it's like we're right back where we belong. In those moments forever strong.
Interesting that this area used to be all docks and industry, but today it's being completely transformed into a modern residential neighborhood full of new built apartments, riverside paths, and some of the most interesting hidden spots in the city. Right now I'm showing you the courtyards between the buildings. They're calm, beautifully designed, and ideal for families or anyone who wants green space in the city. Most of these developments have playgrounds for kids, cafes and grocery stores just downstairs, fitness centers and sports courts, and secure, quiet walking areas tucked between the buildings. How much does it cost to live here? If you want to buy an apartment in this area, a 2-bedroom unit starts from around 750,000 British pounds, and a large 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom flat can go up to 3 millions, especially in buildings with river views or luxury amenities. Regarding rental prices, a 1-bedroom apartment costs about 1,600 per month, which is actually considered a good deal for London, especially in such a safe and well-connected area. So we've just walked along the river here at Isle of Dogs, passing by these modern residential apartments with boats moored right outside. And some of these boats are actually houseboats, where people live full-time, while others are used for leisure or weekend trips along the Thames. And it adds a unique character to this area, a mix of modern high-rise living and traditional riverside life. And the great thing is that within just a 5-minute walk from here, you can leave all the glass tower behind and find yourself surrounded by greenery. So let's head over to Mudchute Park and Farm, one of London's largest farms and completely free to visit.
Every heartbeat, every melody, bring us back to the love we feel so free. We may be apart but not for long.
This park and farm is home to goats, sheep, chickens and more, and there are picnic spots, walking trails, and real countryside vibe right in the middle of the city. It's a perfect place to relax, escape the noise of Canary Wharf, or bring your family for a fun and free day out. This area offers an amazing mix of modern, green, peaceful spaces. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And stay tuned for more hidden gems around London.